Tezos cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here really will give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Tezos, XTZ. The Tezos explicitly has in no time sort of acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers explicitly are interested, and looking through the inquiries like generally is Tezos, XTZ, a wise interest in an unobtrusive way. Is XTZ worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely enormous manner? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How high might Tezos at any point explicitly go in every practical sense, large way? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Tezos expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to principal especially past cost outlines, which truly is genuinely huge. Tezos certainly past value examination as per the scarcely the most recent market information. Today the cost of Tezos, XTZ, is 71 cents, and XTZ is right now explicitly positioned number 55 in the whole crypto market, which truly is very critical. The course supply of XTZ for the most part is 942,192,893 with a market cap of $671,676,006 in by and large most recent 24 hours incredibly. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been somewhere near 0.26% in its by and large current cost esteem in a sort of significant manner. Assuming we analyze the 24-hour market cap of the Tezos with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap really is likewise in beautiful descending pattern, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Tezos in every practical sense is as yet confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout, which really is very huge. The XTZ explicitly is down to nearly 2.37% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for kind of past not very many days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength, for pretty however, we don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in essentially present moment. Inside the sort of most recent 30 days, the cost of XTZ in a real sense has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, killing an incredible really normal cost of 47 cents from its fundamentally current cost in a by and large huge manner. This unexpected pretty descending development implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, and it can generally be a decent for the most part purchase and open door for exceptionally speedy speculation, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change is near 37.96%, and the cost for the most part, circled from a base really normal worth of $1.09 to greatest normal worth of $1.17, in the especially beyond 90 days, which sort of is genuinely critical. Tezos generally is somewhere near 29.42%, with the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin, especially was around $1.06, and the base typical cost of in every way that really matters, was around 99 cents in certainly beyond 4 months. Tezos value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We basically anticipate future XTZ cost expectations Tezos gauges by applying profound pretty counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Tezos in a significant manner. We basically give our all to generally gather most extreme authentic information for the XTZ coin, which by and large incorporate fundamentally different elements like especially past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which sort of is very critical. In the event that you most certainly are looking to in a real sense, put resources into digital currency market, try to in every practical sense, read our forecasts in an unpretentious way. Tezos value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Tezos for the most part is supposed to reach at an especially least value level of 68 cents, which essentially is very huge. The XTZ cost can arrive at a truly greatest worth of 77 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 75 cents. Tezos value expectation for 2024, according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Tezos is basically anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at least worth of $1.07 in an essentially significant manner. The XTZ cost can especially arrive at a really greatest degree of $1.24, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.10. Tezos value estimate 2025-2026. The cost of Tezos is essentially anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.57 in 2025. The Tezos cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a greatest degree of $1.89, with the especially normal cost of $1.63 all through 2025. The cost of Tezos truly anticipated to really reach at a sort of least degree of $2.42. In 2026. Incredibly, the Tezos cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $2.75, with the, in every practical sense, normal cost of $2.51 all through 2026. XTZ value expectation for 2027. Tezos cost fundamentally is estimated to arrive at a most minimal degree of $3.44 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the XTZ cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.29, with the typical gauge cost of $3.54, which basically is very critical. XTZ value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of XTZ, in 2028, the cost of Tezos, in a real sense, is gauged to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $4.85 in an unobtrusive manner. The Tezos value worth can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a limit of $5.99, with the, in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $4.99 in United States dollars. Tezos value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Tezos, XTZ, is supposed to explicitly reach at a sort of least degree of $6.93 in 2029. The XTZ cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 8.34, with the typical cost of $7.18, all through 2029. Tezos value expectation figure for 2030. According to the conjecture and kind of profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Tezos, in a real sense, is supposed to sort of reach at a really least value worth of $10.67, which is genuinely huge. The XTZ cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest value worth of $11.98, with the typical worth of $10.95, in an exceptionally significant manner. Tezos, XTZ, value expectation for 2031. The cost of Tezos is supposed to especially reach at least worth of $15.06 in 2031. The Tezos cost could really arrive at a very most extreme worth of $18.50, with the typical exchanging cost of $15.61.